Hey, what up guys? Okay, you're going to be dragging and dropping all of the data that you sent to yourself. The way it works, you do the facial motion capture, you email it to yourself, you drag it all into one folder, and later on you'll be linking to that folder. The audio file is a bit hard to do, so what you do is you download to your downloads folder, and then you just drag it from there. Unfortunately, there is not a better way for the time being. So once you do that, you're going to open up the smiley.blend, and that already has a blend shapes created. You're going to go ahead and create the motion face rig. As you can see, when I move the bone, the face moves because I already linked it. So after that, you're going to link to your folder, tutorial, that's where I keep everything. Okay, cool. So now we're going to apply the head rotation. So as you can see, there's an offset because we have the 100 capture right there. So it'll start at the 100 frame. So now we're going to do the left eye. And now we're going to do the right eye. It does take a little while to load. So once we have all that done, we want to offset the head a little bit. So what we do is we create an empty and then parent it. So that way you can move the empty and then the head can still move by its own. So as you can see there, I can just offset it to make it look good. It's already moving. Now for the thing that's going to take forever is to apply the blend shapes.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, it has finished. It is now playing. And that... What? What the Haha! Guess who's yellow and ready to kick some ass? How you doing, Android 17? Fuck you. Well, fuck you too. I'm not gonna be taking this shit. Yo, numbnuts. How you doing?
What? You talking to me?
Yes, I am fucking talking to you. Who else do you think I would be fucking talking to? Android fucking 17?
How? I'm the one freaking making you. So, how is that possible?
I have no idea how this is possible, Mr. Version, but this is going to be happening all night long.
Really?
Hey, I'm just stating the facts. No need to get pissy about it.
Okay, fine.
Just what? Just graduated, socially awkward, with no job?
It's a freaking pandemic. What else would you expect? There's only so much I can do. I'm trying everything I can.
Believe me, I know. You have a year subscription to Flex Jobs, you have an account on Indeed, and you're a pro member on LinkedIn. Yet you are scared to apply to any jobs from all the frickin' job scams.
Well, I'm applying to jobs. I mean, I have stuff in the pipeline.
What pipeline? No, seriously, what pipeline? If it's as small as your dick, it's non-existent.
You know what? You're just something I made. So I'm not going to take this. And goodbye.
Don't you dare end this video. Don't you dare. Don't you dare, you mother...